stressful day for me. Very hectic, stressful day. And you see how my skin, look at the difference between my hand and my face. I need to stock up on my skincare products. My face cleanser is finished and I've been using Dove on my face. It's actually not bad for me. It moisturizes my face and I've not been having any breakouts using it, but my face is becoming rather dark. Look at my hand. Look at my hand though, that sun used to beat. That sun used to hit. See. Are you seeing? Look at it. See the difference. So I really need to work on my face very well. Get a very good toner. I'm using that rosemary water. It's not really toning my, it's doing a good job, but I want a toner that has a very powerful active that can brighten my face. That's what I want. Just a good toner that can bring back my skin tone.
Weeks later.
So guys, I've just been very busy doing other stuff because I've just been so demotivated to vlog because my camera lens got bad. I don't know what Prosper did with it and it just stopped. The lens just stopped focusing. It stopped clicking. So for now till January, I'm going to be filming with my phone. Hopefully our memory shows us mercy. If not, I'm going to see what I can do about it. I'm going to see what I'll do about it because right now I'm virtually filming with my phone and I'm recording with my phone. I'm doing everything with my phone, so you guys will bear with me. My camera lens is bad. Like when I put it, it doesn't focus. I want to show you guys what it does. It doesn't focus. It just comes in and out of focus, and that stuff is very frustrating a lot. Like it frustrates me so much. I'm even pissed off filming this thing on my phone, but I no get option. So this is what it does. It just comes out. If you're hearing it, there's a clicking sound. I don't know if you guys can hear it. There's a clicking sound it makes. So this is what it does. Just goes out, retract, comes out, like this. This is what it does. This is what it keeps doing. So I can no longer film on it. I have to get a new lens for it. Like I said, this my camera. I talked about it in one of my videos. I talked about the spec of the camera. So you can watch that video. I can change the lens. So I'm going to be getting this new lens. There's nothing wrong with the body. There's nothing wrong with the body, but just this lens. And it's going to cost me 160,000 naira to get it. This economy, God will help us. From now till January, I'm going to be filming on my phone, so you guys will bear with me and enjoy the vlog as it comes. So guys, I went out to buy an extension of this for my hair. I'm planning on making kinky twists. It's been long I made that hairstyle on my hair, and I noticed that after that my knotless braid I made, I noticed that color 30 fits my skin perfectly, and it gives me this different look, and that fits me very well. So I bought color 30 of Expression Kinky Twist. I bought the color 30 of Bouncy Kinky. This is color 30. I got color 30. So this is what the color looks like. So I want to make a short kinky twist, like neck length short, like bob length short. I want it very short, bob length. So I'm going to be dividing this thing into two. You understand? I'm going to divide it into two. Hopefully it's going to be okay. But anyhow, this is what we have, and this is what I'm going to be working with. I don't know when I'm going to start the hair. It might be today, it might be tomorrow. But I just got it just so I will know that yes, I have an extension to work with. There's a herbal hair recipe I saw. It helps your hair grow out. It makes your hair grow out fast. And if you have some bald spots, to help those parts grow out. So I saw it on TikTok and I decided to try it. So they talked about using rosemary. So since I don't have rosemary at home, I went to buy this one. I don't want to show you guys any brand, so I got this one. This is 50 naira. I got 5 of it, and then I got clove. We talked about clove in the video. They just put the rosemary inside the water and then boil it, but I'm thinking of blending it dry first. I'm thinking of doing it so that I can get all the benefits. I'm thinking of blending it dry, like dry blending it, then boiling it in water, then sieving it. I'm also going to remove some to mix like soak in oil, so I can use it for my hair, like hair oil. So because I really need to grow out those my bars, but I want my hair to grow out long. My hair is trying, but I want something faster, you understand? So I got this lipstick, and is I don't have red lipstick, so this is Ever Pretty. I don't have red lipstick, so I got this red lipstick, and I really love the shade. See the shade is like a very bright red shade. I don't have a mirror, so I don't know how it's going to look like, but let's try it. You guys are seeing me. I can't see myself. So anyhow, wait, they will manage am, because I cannot see myself. I don't know how it looks like. I don't know, but you guys know. So, and it's also mattifying, so that's what it looks like. So that's all I went to do. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Enjoy the vlog. Subscribe if you've not. Leave me a constructive comment and stop. So this is it. Has reduced. So I'm going to be dividing it into two. Put some in my oil, and then the other one I'm going to put it in my water and boil. So far, this is what the hair herbs, the herbs I boiled together. I told you guys I saw it on TikTok. So this is what it looks like. So I'm going to be using this as my everyday spray, like to spray my hair every day, and hopefully it works. The other one I divided it into, I collected some portion of that thing I grounded and mixed it with my oil, like mixed it and boiled it a little bit, then I'm going to allow it to sit overnight. But this one I boiled it with water, so I'm going to be using this to spray my hair every day. So that's what it is. So this is clove and rosemary. So this is what we got, and you see how dark it is because I actually blended. So this is like I'm getting the full juice out of it because I blended it. So I just pray it works because I want my hair to grow. Guys, like I told you guys in the beginning of this vlog that I'm going to be recording with my phone henceforth. So in making sure that this recording is going very fine, because I don't have a mirror to see what I look like in front of me, because I'm actually filming with my back camera, which is like the best camera for you to film it. So take that tip from me. So for me to be able to see what I look like and see what I'm doing, I had to download an app that can actually share, that shows me what I look like a viewfinder app, a mirror app that mirrors what I look like to me. So I can actually see what I look like currently with my other phone, my Android phone. So this is what it looks like. See, have you seen? So I can actually see what I look like. So I'm seeing myself. So before now, I went to the salon I washed my hair at home, and then I just went to the salon to blow dry, and this is what we have. I told them to part it in different sections so that I can have an idea of what my hair looks like. So far, this is what our extension looks like. I just arranged it here. These are the tools I'm working with. So let's do this. So guys, this is how far we have gone. I've done like 2 steps of my hair, and this is what we look like. You see me looking up, I connected my phone to my smart TV. So this is what we look like. This color is actually nice.
Nice, eh? To make your hair by yourself now has. Anybody that can say no, they has that person they play. The person is playing tricks on you because it's a hassle.
Guys, I'm actually enjoying filming with my phone. I think say the thing will be hard work, but as you can see, I'm surviving. As you can see, I'm surviving it. Can you see I'm making a video? Is it because I'm having a conversation? Yes, it's rest in Jesus' name. You not see that my video recording is on. See your face. So far, this is how far we've gone. See? So guys, this is the final look of the hair. I've not added my nails, so I'm going to be adding my nails now. Just going to add it to the tip of the hair. Just going to add it to this down part, just to lock up the whole stuff.